In the smartphone world, most of the time the public's gaze is pointed at your Samsungs and Apples and LGs, the brands that make the flashiest and most eye-catching devices out there. But they are far from the only players on the market, especially once you enter markets such as China where the no-compromises approach doesn't work out nearly as well. So it's no surprise that Xiomi, one of the bigger smartphone makers in the People's Republic, would make its flagship device, the Mi 6, so seemingly pedestrian. It has already proven it can do new and weird with the Mi Mix, but now it's time to actually sell devices, so some corners inevitably have to be cut to be able to deliver good specs at a competitive price. Camera. But as a reminder that Xiomi really wants to be like Apple, the Mi 6 features a 12MP rear-facing dual camera with one normal and one 2x zoom lens, the same configuration as the one in the iPhone 7 Plus. But even when not using the second camera, actually, precisely when not using it, the Mi 6 can take some quite stunning shots. The camera app is quite good, offering all the basics such as HDR, which often gave the best results, panorama, timers, tilt shift, and a pro mode, as well as a creepy doll beautification filter and an image straightening mode. Taking photos is quite fast, but only in regular mode, as the rest, HDR and portrait mode seem to be the worst offenders, tend to slow things down considerably. The overall experience of using the camera wasn't great, though, as it, not just the app, but the camera itself, had a tendency to crash while we were using it, requiring a full phone restart in order to work again. This could have been both an overheating or a software issue. We're not entirely sure, but we've informed Xiomi of the issue and will update you if we hear back from them.